So my people, we are gonna get into Blinga and what Blinga have to say about Chanel Muir and her man and the situation with them in a, you see me. Me on a level still, me love Chanel Muir. You see me, is a girl where me really like out of the woman them in a dance hall, she me love more. You see me I say? Because she kinda calm in her way. You see it. And it look like says it's a female way. If you're an her deal, she not go hold back nothing from you. You see me? It's like a girl where if you deal with her and you deal with her good, she deal with you good. You see me? So we're gonna get tonight with people and hear what Blinga say. You know what I mean? And the G you know people, me not like me laugh when me hear the dog about but the thing to blood clot dog you F up. You know what I mean? And it look like so the dog want use that for kinda get her back in her way. But you see them type of girly people, I'm telling you. You see, when them show you all or when them show you the love and everything and you mess it up, them girl nah come back. May I tell you that. So make we hear what Bling officer people.
Chanel buy the ring. She love him. She want him. She want him or she love him. Or she had do this just for the media. Right? When we as women take up them money, what we claim say broke. We claim say them broke, you know. But we turn around and we clothe them, we feed them, we do the things them for them, we put them on fuel level. Fuel level meaning them now go hungry again, them can have money in them pocket, you know, people can know them like so. Not like we're better than them nor anything, but we call that fuel level. Right? Cause enough man put woman on them level, you know. Remember say, you know, man help enough of we, you know, to elevate and reach somewhere in our life and we turn around, left the man and treat the man like a dog shit, you know. Not me, but me just want to know if you know, say, enough man put woman on level and elevate them and help them. So if woman help man now, that is not a problem. Worse if you love the man and want the man. But there's a difference. So the question here is, did Chanel Muir want this guy? Did Chanel Muir love this guy? You guys don't have to agree with me now. I'm gonna open the box. We don't have to pay the $5 cause me asking us sitting. But me not want to come up here and turn up in here and now mash up me begging. So everybody have their own opinion. So when you don't want to argue with me, you can't come argue with me. But the question right here, so why did Chanel buy the ring? Is it because of clout? Because, you know, thank you, Miss Leg. A lot of these artists and popular people, they do things because of clout. I am not saying that's the reason. Please don't go say what I never thought say. But remember when Italian did come out and bend down upon one knee and say him proposed to China Chin. Wanna make it make sense, cause me know me I say, and me so me I say, off a certain grounds. Remember when the Lolo girl did come out and say my date the queen husband. That was clout. A lot of people do things for clout. A clout should not do it for. But look how things turn out and play out. Dewey is back with his wife right when blood clot belong. And I right the same need to stay. The day that Dewey know that he need to stay right there, so side of Queenie, things will be good. You know, When you take up your money, say you go buy a ring, you know. Give a boy, you know. That means say you check for the boy, you know. Or you love the boy. Or you just do it for the media. So which one is it? Which one out of 3 of them it is? Which one out of 3 of them? Because not only that, little next thing did go on, you know. One next little thing did go on. The furniture them we did buy because Goody never did want to live in the same house. Which part? The first... Well, yes, a show off. Goody never did want to live in the first house where she did live. When did live with the rest of girl them. Alright. Now you hear the boy a bawl like a baby. So we say this is not staged. Like Italian and China chin. Cause the boy a bawl. Chanel may take up her money and spend it. Because she in a good up relationship and she think it's going somewhere.
People, me not lie still. Me not have she as them type of girl there where we do things just for hype. You see me I say? Because we wouldn't know all of these things if them never mash up. You see me I say? She do all of them things without come on the media with it. You see me? The only time she come on the media with him, remember say she post him up, you know. So I genuinely love that, you know. And when the people them say all different type of things about him, remember say she did a defend him and a back him, you know. And say she love what she love and you know what I mean, she got hard for him. But it look like say the people them did know say this youth is not a good youth. You see me I say him want something for grab. It look like that him go there for. You understand? So make me know one thing people. Make we listen some more.
Cause let me tell you this. As a big woman, if me meet a boy we broke and him not drive nine back to wall. That this is daytime or week time, me have to upgrade the boy. Yeah. I have to upgrade the boy, my love. All I know when I upgrade the man them. All I know when I upgrade the man them, you know blood clot idiot, you know can't stay there. As long as a boy talk my language, me I upgrade him, my love. You crazy. Me not care when no one call me yam field, yam medium plantation or whatever. Me know me none of them there. But me can't have my man and my man favor blood clot Kunta Kente. You crazy. If you upgrade that, straight upgrade him I get. And if you ask me, my man all can look better than me. Yeah. Yes. Because I know found no mind man under the blood clot quiet. And I come out here come talk about a boy can't get this from me and a boy can't get move on a blood clot. We no mind man no blood clot and man not show up on no man not kiss no man not own no up no man not do nothing for blood clot you know. But you see the man when me I go upgrade, he ma fear call my name love. My fear show me up, my love. You're crazy. The world have to know say for me name the side of him. So when a girl feel like she want a blood clot, take him and him for and duck her. Make it make sense. You can't stay about no blood clot upgrade no boy. Big up yourself, Chanel, for upgrade the boy, even though my ears say the boy did have him things, my love. But Chanel, I don't know about the go back fan, the take back, you know. Which me can't understand still, because you know your feelings. Alright. You see, as to the ring now, me not buy no blood clot ring in a boy certain way. I'm going to tell you how I buy a ring for the blood clot way. You see, if the boy asks me for married to him and tell me say he want married to me, I mean know say the boy not have it. I mean the boy I do little time, you know, 1, 2, 3 years and everything good. And the boy said, John, no, baby, I want to marry you, but I need to get myself up somewhere. I can get the money for buy the ring. Me we buy the blood clot ring. Yeah, come here have it. Come here have it. Some will buy it. Yeah. I'm gonna buy it and I will pay for the blood clot wedding too. We don't move on a blood clot, but we don't buy and we don't do and we don't give. What? When I put in clothes, I'm in a pan and blood clot, show fab and soap up it and towel the white clothes them over there. So when I towel the white clothes them over there, so when I sit down and open up my foot with a big blood clot pan, I wash so. Would I never? That's why no man I treat him like a dog and drunk because I don't pump on a blood clot man. Where I do everything for you, where I love you and I rub on a foot and I tell them say them love you and I kiss up and basing. That's why some of the man no want to know them. Some of the man just do it because I want to can do for them. Some of the man just do it because it's convenient to blood clot. Me, I put blood clot clothes in a pan. Me now remember say washing machine they about especially them the white blood clot marina there. When I don't soak them overnight in a blue and fab and what else bleach and wake up the next morning and wash and seconds and blood clot put softener pan that with clean water and rinse and shake out and chop and line. You're crazy. Ima, I rub till my blood clot and them I rub me. I haven't washed in 20-something years. So if me forgot wash now, if me forgot sit down and wash a boy clothes in a pants of blood clot, I want that for video. That would be so nice because I want them for video me I do that trash clot. My husband won't even want me fit. My husband won't even say, yo, B, you cut you know. Some things with that's me I feel rate my husband. Some things with my husband. The first thing I say, yo, B, you're easy, you know, cut it for me say me want to do it. Yes. And me I tell you say after I wash and put pan line, me I take off that blood clot and iron that steam it too. When boy good, forget things. Boy forget take care of. Yeah. And your man for wash fear too if him can. When I see man I wash food, when I say my mama man wear. The boy I love you and rate and the boy I wash your clothes. When I move on a blood clot, that's how they can't keep a blood clot, man. One thing you can't keep a man, one thing you sad out no blood clot because you still gonna worry about what this friend I go say, what that the friend I go say, what this a family member I go say. Looking at the family member them life and the friend them life and see if nothing I go and not feel them blood clot life. Somebody friend them don't even have a blood clot man. Somebody friend them don't even have a man. No man no want them man done pan them. You know how much of a friend man done pan? You cannot sit down and take talk from blood clot friend when a more than you are better than blood clot. You will not live no life. Like make it make sense. Firstly, do you mean are you married? Of course I'm married. What I say? What I say? Make it make blood clot sense. Me I put all of the love in the food. Me I cook the rice and peas with the pimento seed and the garlic and the pepper, the scallion and the blood clot time. No sugar now go in there. Me are the sugar where I cook it. Me now put the sugar in the oxtail. It a season from over blood clot night and it a slow cook. Me are the spice. Yeah. Me I put love in the food. You're crazy. And me I put vegetable pan the side too and some planting.
So to all of the man them were out there, you know what I mean, and you're with a woman and you wonder if she really loved you. You're not blind. If a woman love you, you see them thing you will Blinga talk about. Are them type of thing your woman do. Woman can't hide them love. If a woman love you, them are gonna show it. So if you not see she a show it, you know say she don't love you. You see me I say you need to find somebody who love you. Right? But all our Blinga talk say a real thing. You see me, woman I go take care of them man if them love them man. You know what I mean? And where the artist do for the man, I love she love him, make she do it. And she really open her feelings why she say she a go back for the things them. You know what I mean? She want this him just like how him this she. You know me I say? But people, we're gonna hear some more our bling officer. I'm wanting to tell me what you think in the comment section.
No, uno a blood clot here that you don't know if you keep man. You don't know if you hold bumbo clot. I don't think it's a blood clot man. Poor man. If you ask me, throat old man, what I'm doing right now, seriously speaking, I remember me tell you, say, me can't do the throat job there, you know. Every day, me I try to get a class on it, and nobody no want to teach me. Me can't do the throat, man, the throat job. But if you don't feel like someone like a big blood clot, check someone up and look like you know how me that's all I put it out like. Yeah. Take care of no blood clot, man. You hear me tell you no? Take care of no man. Take off on no blood clot clothes and wind up for no bumbo clot, man. I don't care how old you be, 40 at 50 and 50 no old. What old is blood clot 65 and go in. When you sit down there, anything on and do a next girl with blood clot or something, them girl are hungry to blood clot. They don't go and catch them hands. Pa uno man. Well, when them catch them hands per woman and them a blood clot of woman looking at them throat back, all woman I think about a blood clot way. And when time him done, him fi reach back home. You know much blood clot man for nice clean girl will look better than we shape blood clot better than we. And as in done, he can't wait for blood clot come home. He want to stop all different all bout to wash off the blood clot dirty. Him just want to come into him nice clean blood clot girl. With me not see the girl over for me blood clot man from me no born yet, my love. Seriously speaking. And me not have to do the jazz and the bend up, me love, and the S and the something. You're crazy. Sometimes you go in and you look for your man blood clot face and he in a mood, you know, say something wrong. You go there and say, babe, want and him now and say, okay, babe, do you want to talk about it? If the man say him no want to talk about it, the blood clot move from there and left him. Go in the kitchen, go make up build up a nice little smoothie. Find out what your man like. Find out what him love. Even if you ever go up on the road, go blood clot by it. Look if him out of weed, if he's a smoker. If him out of weed, call him virgin and tell him virgin if he come drop off some weed or you go for the blood clot weed. And get him favorite liquor. Carry come and say, okay, babe, whatever it is that you're going through. When you're ready to talk, I'm here. Drop them right in front of blood clot him. And when you push drop them, make sure say you're not something sexy too. So when you walk with him, just a blood clot look. Because just the thought of you going to get what he loves and need, that's gonna make him feel like, babe, you shouldn't have. Yes, babe, you shouldn't have. Instead of the blood clot is. I don't understand. You're supposed to talk to me. I'm your woman. I'm your wife. Why you can't not a bumbo clot? No, you just add fire to the fury right there, so. You see, you take your mind off for the blood clot problem. Maybe it's the next girl and blood clot problem. Maybe in pussy sitting funny girl and he sit down there and let me tell you something. There are so many things out there. And with men, some, not all. Some men don't talk. Some men don't talk. They cry in silence. They talk in silence to themselves. Because most men don't think that they should cry. They think that crying is a sign of weakness, which I don't think crying is a sign of weakness because I'm a type of person like this. Me cry for every little thing. You see, if me help somebody and them come have some kind words that give me start ball, me have to hold it and them something. You know, the other day I almost cry when I see how much loyal blood clot Blinga ears that come out and I come tell me say, Bling with it, eat the dirty man. Bling, please, don't this, Bling. Me feel it. Me really fucking feel it because Chumino says truth. It's truth. So the time uno take. Fi chat a next girl, oh, she a buy a ring to man and man no want her. Clean up for no blood clot yard, my love. My house clean, you know. My house is very clean. It not even a dirt no night. In my marriage. Not even a dirt in my marriage. No. With my boyfriend. He's young. So me just tell the Blinga nails them so no see with him. I could take him bullshit until we can't take it no more, till we cup full. Yeah. Because, like we out here buy Markex and Louis Vuitton and Fendi and Blood Clad Prado, and I send money every week to Western Union or Blood Clad MoneyGram or them place to go give no boy. You understand? Boy not get anything from us. We teach boy how to blood clot fish, so boy a fish. Anyway, like me say, me I go add
move your stink clot and go dirty RT.
RT supposed to bitch, you don't stop follow me up. Every blood clot when me go, you follow me up, you follow me up, you follow me up. You're not tired to follow me up. You don't know sister me not like you know. You know sister me not blood clots like you. Huh? You know sister me not like you. You don't feel safe RT condemn to blood clot and partly. Eh? Everything the man tell you no believe. Lady come off my life and come out of my life. Me not like blood clot. Stop follow up me and police. Stop it. And you're going to stop it because it's time for you to start watch on a fake page now. It is full time for you to start watching on a fake page.
Alright, my people. So, further on in the video, some other people are go forward on the live and them are go talk a little bit more about the artist scene. But before that, them are go talk about RT Boss, you know, because right now, Blinga say RT Boss, him ship a sink. You know what I mean? It look like him a flop out. You see it, but let me tell you with RT Boss, he may look that way there right now, but he will just left TikTok and come back with something different and got the place locked again. You see it? So we're gonna hear what Blinga and the mania I say about RT Boss and why him ship a sink. I'm wanting to tell me if him ship a sink for true. Right? So we're gonna get into that and then we're gonna get back on the artist. Some people are gonna talk liquor about the artist. So make watch some more.
Oh no, me now make them have no more screen recording and me I argue with underprivileged element because that's what you are. That's what you is. You're a groupie. You don't have the most fuss about blood clot girl and you can't do without bumbo clot girl. Me say, Father God, please. Me say, sometimes me say to myself, say, me should not married because if me never blood clot married, I go and show up on this blood clot here daytime. I say, I don't think me a nice blood clot somebody. I don't think me a somebody phone. I don't think my friend anyone on up on yourself. No secret for blood clot me. Not one of them have no secret for me. I ask Christ, you know I'm sugar in your house right now. I ask Christ not even salt in your blood clot house. I ask Christ I can't walk past cemetery. Someone don't have nothing blood clot live for. You can't be. No time. You're crazy. No day, no time, not one on can here. Anyway, back to what me I say. You can send the request. I'm not charge only $5 because we have a little segment. So you can send the request. I don't know for your opinion with the Shani Muir and the the boyfriend thingy.
Blinga.
Yeah.
Well, go on, my baby.
There.
Yes, you know me love you though, right?
That got nothing to do with me, my love.
Forget about that. You don't trust nobody again, though?
What you say, Henry?
You know a long time I follow your truth. While you watch it, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Nobody make nobody make you vex. I mean, no, they can't bring you out though.
Henry, me want one of them bring.
Me
want one of them Henry come bring something for me. Something will make sense and true.
God,
you don't think they can blood clot tell me how the dirty battle? Where?
You know she lying, so.
Like where? I don't give one talk. So I'm telling you which part him how in blood clot in.
And the matter of fact, if he did, you're lucky.
Henry, let me tell you, I rather fuck Derek blood clot him.
I mean, around you either. But that's it, though. You so damn entertaining. You say somebody bad when they will call sometimes. You just have come off your lips like a singer, sing them.
No,
Me
I
love you,
don't try to be. Me not try to be funny. Me upset sometime.
me love you, say, me love.
Yeah, you know, so them a take time take all of the word them from them love.
Yo,
You know, so
the
them
man
gone
take
with
with
your
the whole of
crazy.
your word, them.
Them gone with your crazy, you know.
Yeah, yes, they got with the crazy. And they
You're
can't say it like
crazy.
you. They can't say it like you, though.
And when me now look me love, Henry, I go take a miracle to bring me blood clot down. So I take a miracle, me love. They can't go tell girl big and blood clots thing. And in me use nice expensive cologne. Me now look.
You think about you say, Blinga, you try to be a friend to that idiot there. You say you try, even
Me
people
see.
are try to bring him down. You said no, I'm gonna stand by you. And that little alright?
Well, him no need for stand by me. The people them 8, 9, and 10 in blood clot.
No, I mean you said you will stand by him. When people are bring him down, you say, no worry, me there, me have your back. You understand? And boy, me I tell the people wicked, man, I tell you.
People, wanna just watch and see. Remember me did tell you, look how Bling and RT boss I go shame some of them people, yeah. Them no know say when them say Bling and RT boss in a whatever them in a, them fi just love them. Them can come and say how them feel in a way, but don't like you want this a next person, like, you know what I mean? Like say you know say Bling and RT boss cuss today and good tomorrow. You see me? But watch how them I go shame them. You see it? Make me know one thing, my people. We are gonna listen some more and we are gonna go over the artist thing. Cause some people are gonna talk about the artist, you know what I mean? Oh, she buy whatever get the boy. But people, you know, when we reach that, we are gonna talk. We could listen some more Bling and the man. Yeah.
But guess what? It now go stick and it will never stick. Now I go tell you why it will never stick.
Uh-huh.
With God, with the Lord's favorite and God's anointed. You don't do that.
Exactly.
You
Exactly.
can't the Lord's anointed. Your blood clot come out here and send you how much bomber ass clot kinds them come give me. Never beg you none. You're supposed to send them. You're there every day slung them a blood
And,
clot.
and, the, and
Lord.
the thing about it, you know, him can't do nothing better without you, you know. He can't do better without you, but I tell you the God truth. Because him think boring.
Cause him a full of them need to stop telling lie and talk the truth to people them listen. Him have a buzz if he just be himself and stop lies.
That's true. Think about it, he can't do that. That's his hobby.
But anyway,
Uh-huh.
good it him career, you know. You'll soon see it. That like dog.
Me know. The thing about that, he talk about one subject so much, it gets so boring, people just start listening to him.
I know that's what to say. Henry, they lie them. They lie them. We must say.
Yeah, that's
That's
true.
that problem. The
And people know
lies.
say I lie. People know so much, all of the things they tell I lie. All the time thing, but Nigga, you're always my girl, yeah? I
Me
remember.
everybody girl, you know much people in run for
Listen,
around here.
listen, you're my girl. I'm not busy about everybody, but about me.
You like me?
I mean, because like my little. Yo, you know, I'm going to ask you something. No,
You
what? Let me
can.
ask you something. Let me ask you something. The courthouse business, they say, come here, what you from the start the court. No, you start the courthouse business there.
Really, Henry? Then I who?
Me know, I tell everybody to big and start. I can't remember when. You remember the deal? I mean, the company should have did it too. Because you know, I don't really come talk nothing. But we only come say a few words. Remember, you start the courthouse business. You must say him start it and not him do this.
Him
The
say
only
my
thing.
column over. Well, I know. Him say my column over here.
Yeah.
So him say, him a column. Henry, me never want to talk about the drunk right now. Me never want to talk about the drunk. The real people, them know the truth. Now, I'm telling you this, Henry.
Uh-huh.
Every one of them will take up that blood clot off the flop. You cannot teach somebody stuff and it work while the person is alive, Henry. You
But
can't do that.
the real person who started. Remember the time when you started, that time the day I worked too. That come in that
And,
work now. I might say that
and
lady a creative man.
me let it go give them. Me
You
let it
notice
go give
that?
them. And them can't blood clot run it.
And you
Me
start it.
let it go give them and them can't run it.
Mm-hmm. Everybody at the courthouse now.
Hello?
Alright, so people, we are go over to the people them a talk about the artists you know. You see me, cause Blinga go get up and I mean and left them make them talk. So we are gonna hear some of what them have to say about the artists. You see me I say? And we are gonna go over to Shibada after that because Shibada have some things to say to Raja after Raja say what him say, you know what I mean, about the lion man. Say when him see him a different thing. You know what I mean? You see me, so she wanna have some things to say to Raja. You know, she wanna this up Raja then. You see me? So we are gonna get into that. So we hear what them have to say about the artist and then we go over Shibada.
Okay, winner, you have to go down and come back. You take away. Okay, Godchild, what do you think about the whole situation?
Why? Tell the truth. Your things are going now. Just, just, everything just, don't even know if you say. Because as Shani know a top girl, me don't think say she should have even engaged no man with by no ring and
Okay.
engage nobody.
Guys, for some reason, if I'm not seeing the box to add persons, I'm just seeing interactions and I'm seeing gifts, so I'm not seeing the box. So I'm not sure if you guys can.
Royalty, why you laugh?
So what you're saying, Godchild, you don't feel like though she should have engaged to any man?
Yeah, as a top girl and she made, not for we girl I look up to her, so it look away when thing bust
So
out
is
and
it that
yes.
you're saying that if you found somebody that you love and you're really into the person and they were unable to buy you engagement ring, you would not buy one for them?
No, so me not buy no ring for no man. Remember that if we need support in a certain things, me support him, but why? Me feel say a man for do certain things. Me not buy no
Yeah,
ring for
but
no man.
if you're the one that's more financially stable. So guys, comment section, think about it. If you're the one that's more financially stable, right? And your partner, you love the person, they love you, and they were like, hey, I want to get married to you or whatever, somebody. Unfortunately, I can't afford to buy a ring. I can't afford to buy a ring. What is so wrong with you saying, hey,
It a go
I
look
can
away
buy the ring?
because it a go look away because in the day when you lie down on your pillow and you think about it and you remember say you marry the man and you buy a ring, you not gonna feel good when a certain song a play and a certain girl, Me feel say a man fi do certain thing.
Yes, traditionally men do certain
Yeah.
things. I understand that. But we're in 2024 and I mean nothing is wrong in this day and age. Men,
Me
a
ready
lot of
before me
time
buy a
men
man
help
ring,
women to
before me buy a
elevate in
man.
life.
Let
Nothing
me
is
say
wrong
no.
nothing is wrong if you buy a man.
No, sir. If you buy a man something, you come in like say, me feel like say, it does feel away, it don't feel right. In a certain way, it don't feel right for no say you are the woman that buy a ring for your man. You come like a man a woman then, and you are a man.
Mm-hmm.
And a man, some man, they not have certain respect for you. Them gonna look on you like a the money machine.
Mm-hmm. I mean, I don't share the same sentiment. I
So
mean,
Kimmy, you would propose to your partner, right?
if I would propose to my partner,
Yeah.
well, you're asking something different, right?
So if Chanel buy a ring for him and I propose to him and
No, I mean, I say for example, right? If you propose to me, right? Because propose don't mean that you have to have a physical ring.
Alright, people. What me have to say upon that is like first time woman never used to make money like that. A man used to the person will make the money in the relationship and take care of the woman. Now a different time. Woman start make them own. Woman a make even more than man. You see me I say? So me no see nothing wrong with that. You see me cause man been taking care of woman for how much years. See? So nothing no wrong if woman start take care of man. And if a woman feel like say yo she want do whatever, propose or whatever to a man, nothing no wrong if she go buy the thing them and do it because woman want be independent, them want be equal. You see me I say? So right now a different time. So woman can do almost anything you know and you know look nowhere. But let me know what you think in the comment section. We are going to hear what Shibada have to say about the Lion Man and Raja.
Roger say anyway, MC Jaden, Roger come here, let me talk to you, sister to sister. I just want to, Roger, me ain't no friend, you know. I a girl women I like, you know. But sister to sister, me go talk to you, Roger. May I tell you something? You see you sitting down wherever you're sitting on your little bum. You see you, Roger, you're on the internet and you're sending. Now let me tell you something about sending publicly. And this much you need to know, Sister Roger. Remember we had T and Timira? Yes, sister. Yeah. Hey, mister. We're close. Hey, mister. We're sisters. Because my name about cut eye for me. My love. Yeah, come here, Roger. Me no know who you suck, but me sure it's not Dodos nor Zeeks. Me sure nobody from the clans or one other don't know your mouth. You understand me? I say, me I go tell you something about sending publicly. Roger, we don't know you for being a bad man, so party libertine and spring shell where you could have buy you some hungry belly youths for roll around like marble or bearings. Me I go tell you the truth, Roger. Me I go want to know if them could shop the soldier where catch you and the boy in the car. No, put that aside that because that's not really the matter what come about this man, you know, Roger. You say anyway, you say Jaden, you're gonna beat him. Remember say he's a girl with stay far and fling things. Remember he's a girl with stay far and fling things. Come here, Mama Samson. Come here, if I chew your locks and go, you feel powerful. Come here and make it tricky, my baby. Roger, from we know you, we never hear say you're star uptown when you never have no name. Roger, when you never have no name, we never hear say you're star uptown. We never hear it. Yeah, we never hear say you're star uptown. So when you say when you book Jaden, you got this to Jaden and that to Jaden. Mind a man out there who really did want to hold you and book you because you's a little mean. You understand me? And you want like he's not a me and them why you wear the badge. Yes, like me. Mine, one of them just pick up the attitude and pick up the vibes and buy the war bell, beg the war, scam the war, steal the war, do something to the war. And see out the road and get ratedly. I saw public. Everybody just say, your body, people target you. So you never know, miss. Miss, you never know Miss Roger because all of a sudden, me don't know what kind of excitement you want to bring on the internet to get more rows and couple more taps because the little thing dwindle down, you know, me not pick up for Rosalie, you know. Me not pick up for Rosalie, but if you and a have problem, you got problem. You understand me? But when you got talk about say no Rosalie this time at Jaden, but when you talk about say when you book. No man, the poodle they bad. The poodle they bad. Yeah, see poodle run down the dog there. And what are we soldier exercise this morning? Watch your breath, soldier. Run with your palm.
Soldier that?
Yeah. Run with your palm, soldier. By the time you reach in your belly flat. God no, watch it, soldier man, you made the dog them win you slow down already? Give me back the camouflage.
I can't help myself.
Yes.
God, it's serious.
God no. Nice bad. Auntie, no, wanna hear me?
People, when my officer still, me they think like Roger have more sense than that. If you know, say, if you're a person or something and yeah, whatever, you can't come on the internet and say certain things because at the end of the day, you not have to really do him nothing because somebody else can whatever and then them a look by you. You understand what I say? So you have to know what you do. You see it. But more wanna tell me wanna think about everything because the lion man say some things about him enough time. You see me? And you have other people who say things about him also. So wanna tell me wanna think because some people him no say nothing about them. Maybe him no want give them no highlight or what. But let me know an opinion my people. I go listen some more.
Yeah, but anyways, back to Sister Roger now before all of this excitement. I'm gonna get mixed up with Rosalie. Us big no sweet. Yeah, when you sing like those Roger, you just have to put target by your back. Target by your back, so whoever you buy them, they might turn on and show with it. Remember, you not have good bottom. You not have good bottom. You understand me? I use a little fruit, so them just might turn on and you say anybody at all you buy, you feel well protected. Take up the scripture, my baby. Walk with the scripture, but look on you. Them soon overthrow you, cause them soon say you have your own little clique. Eh? Them soon say you have your own little clique, so you come and talk about anyway about Jaden. Jaden not for argue with you, Jaden for just say you and your man them stand up and spray. Said, yeah man, only for walk on, only for miss, only for go away, only for stay here with the mark of the city, for sure. You're too out of order. I don't know how you come on the internet and want friend the internet. If you're bad in your community, my love, because I know you can't bad out the road. You cannot bad outside because anybody at all where you feel like watch your head back where you're bad. If you look over them shoulder and them never go school with epaulet, where them a look pan? So let me ask you a question. Let me ask you a question. Jaden, for see and spit pan you. Roger, you're too out of order. You're too out of order. But I'm glad you go and do. You give back attack a chance. A boss. I like what you do still a little bit, you know. Easy. Easy like Sunday morning. Lord, easy. Easy, you my father that try to sing and know me never band with a throat for music. Yeah, I didn't born with the instrument in here, so no orchestra. I'm not even born with a choir director, yeah, so not at all. Easy, my baby. Yeah, sister, when you're there, so may I tell you now, good body people. Roger, you first stop it. Mind people target you. You love God dance. You love God dance. Remember say you have to out the road because you have to. And let me tell you something. Rosalie, come here. Come here, my little argument. Rosalie, you don't know I'm nowhere. Now call came in your mouth, Rosalie. You like walk on pink pint man and talk what this and what that. Go look for your ugly baby father and people like when lizard get buzz. And that if I talk about stinking Rosalie. You out to Adam Brighty? Or you out to Adam Bright so you walk and scout people? Come lick out the whole of East Queen Street ball. Come suck out the whole of East Queen Street. Oh. And that if you come to nasty Rosalie. You stink and bright, you cuss Roger, and leave name out of your stinking more germs. Out to hard and bright. Come suck from head to toe like Tara Banks, America's Next Top Model. Move your nasty stinking self germs bag. You favor the gully beer in your house. Out to our class, dirty stinking Rosalie, you know, we poop rice. Our class, them, you know. She out to Adam Bright, Jody B. You like walk and tag people too much. Can you run? That's the big question of the day. Can you run, Rosalie? I don't want class that, but anyways, back to Raja now. Just so you get the message. Just so you get the message. Remember, you're the only girl stand up a captain for years and you have your will and testament. So till lava have to see and contribute to the will where your granny did leave for you, you don't know about, because you belch it. You belch the evidence that even the first one give you $60,000 in your life. Then look at you, big no sweet, table mango, where we're not even one for them. Nasty Rosalie. I would class in, I don't want, look here. Anyways, Raja, come back at the front of the class, miss. Come back at the front of the class. Rosalie shaped like Agtraf. Oh, when you look at Rosalie back, it's paper broke up tile. Look here, Raja, come back at me. Raja got sucker with this sucker, you know, we have them afar. Yeah, back to the matter at hand. You want to scare Jaden, everybody take shots off of Jaden like him a tequila or a Patron. You understand me? Everybody take shots. You notice the person's name who Raja go after? Rosalie one. Then him go to Raja. Raja, you can't prove strength, so. You can't prove strength, so. Actually the internet not have no bad man. Why not go for one bad boy on the internet? Me not say none. Me not say none, Raja. Hold on then. Me not say none. Me so say one and say you feel.
So people, let me know what to think about that. So Shibada, I gotta deal with Footer Hype now, because Footer Hype go after the artist, the big bad artist where he might get the whole international exposure, you know. You see me, the girl just want to fling the palm me. You see me, I say? So I don't know go on with him on the BT award with the whole heap of man them around him and whatever. And you see, when an artist go up on an international level, is a different set of people that kind of run him in a way, and him have to go do certain things where if him in the ghetto at Jamaica, him not go do. And some of the time you reach on a level, you have to just do some things where normally you wouldn't do. Me not say him a go and go there with man and them something there, you know. You see it, but me could hear where she bought that have to say.
Why not chance off of him? Then so to I come here now. I'm just have a class, everybody like how the hurricane a come. The hurricane a come in, I don't know if my bird paper go blow away. So I just wrap up everybody from now.
Come like a mini series.
Yeah. So to I, where you better kick and your ID tie one for your ankle. Come here for time. Come here. Put your eye from me, know you're foreign. You're supposed to excellent in an outline fade eyebrow. You're supposed to can put on lash now. And you're the only one missing migrate from Jamaica in a one barber shop overseas. Can you come for class, Killy Bang and talk about what kind of thing that if everything them do forget money. It's called choreograph. It's a choreograph dance, a choreography. So it's a choreography, the word name, yeah. So the dance will choreograph. And you ever tell me now, say nobody never choreograph. When you did choreograph your mouth on the Aishana, and you did choreograph your mouth on the barbecue, nobody never upset you and step by your lip. Nobody never step by your lip, Footer. No, yeah, you gotta go, you rate Footer Hype, then go. Me never come here for you rate me, my baby. Me never come here for you rate me. You gotta go, you gotta go. Your conscience will beat you. So I am with you. Bye-bye. Yeah, come here. Footer Hype. We not hear not about Skilly Bang at Jamaica. But you, they are foreigner, we not hear about you. And Skilly Bang, we not hear about Skilly Bang at the nothing. Where Skilly Bang at the BET. When I do on the BET award I perform with international people, are you selecting for anybody internationally? I'm just asking. Are you selecting for anybody internationally? Me just ask you, it's a disgrace and a shame. You are coming by the only one with straight. Yes, sir. You're the only one with straight. You never beat the barber like how you beat China. Where woman do you? Where woman do you make you say you live with a girl, you dig out the girl, you beat her, what? And you have the barber man and shave your mouth. And outline you. Tell me the truth. You have problem with oaks like a man because you don't want your barber man look hard. What's wrong with your foot eye? You look a bit and dark. Huh? What wrong with you? I just something I ask you, my baby. I just something I ask you. So when pretty than I write down me, I remember. But wait, pretty than I have her glasses. Why she not gonna put on her glasses? Sir, go put on your glasses so you can see up in a camel properly. So you can...
Alright, so people, just tell me what you think about the artist, you know what I mean, and tell me what you think about the footer hype set. Because when you're on a different level and you go internationally, you go meet up on some different type of people. Because you don't know say the man them where I swim around, them in a that space there enough on the international. You know what I mean? Them did enough. So them are go put for them look up, touch on certain things. You know what I mean? And sometimes you have to just leave up pay that no mind certain way. You see me? But let me know what to think me people right there, so I go edit.